Hello everybody, how are we all today? Okay, so today I've been looking at posters, and here's a very short video to show you how to make your own poster. Okay, so let me show you this. Okay, I've just taken the photo of a bike in under some what looks like cloisters or church grounds, and I've just added some text up here, but let me show you how I got to this part. Okay, so first of all we're going to go on to Canva. You can have a free account, so I'm going to go up here, can you see that, and write poster, and let's see what we can see. Ready to teach lessons. Okay, I'm obviously not in the right place, so create a design docs poster. Okay, so as you can see, there are various sizes that you can create: landscapes, double-sided A3 portrait, and an A3 landscape. I want a portrait. There we are. If you want to see what size your poster is, if you've forgotten what you clicked on, just go to File, and you can see here the size. Okay, so this is 29.7 centimeters by 42 centimeters. Okay, I'm going to go to the poster I originally did. Very simple, on a white background. Okay, so let me go on here. I'm going over to the left to Elements, and I have recently used this, but I'll go up to the search box, and I'm going to write in texture background. Okay, I've already looked for that, so you can see it here. Okay, the ones with the crown are Pro templates, so if you just go up to the filter box here, you can click on Price Free and look at the free elements. Okay, so let's go for a texture background. Let's have a look at all of them. Quite a few there. Nice one with marble effect, a wood effect, that's quite nice. Okay, let's go on to that one. Always be sure to go on to the three dots to check who made it. Whitewashed old wood background texture, free, and if you go on the eye there, it will tell you what you can do as far as the license is concerned. Okay, so I'm going to just left click and drag the handles, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, it's a little bit dark for my liking, so I'm going up to the top here to transparency, and I'm going to bring it down a touch. Okay, next thing, I'm going back to Elements, get rid of texture backgrounds, and I'm going to write in bicycle, and see, I'm going across to photos, and I'm going to choose a photo. Now I've got to go back up to filter there, down to price, and get a free photo for my poster. Let's have a look. That's rather artistic, but I'm just going to backspace, get rid of that. Go back to bicycles, That is quite nice. So I'm going to I'm holding down, pressing on the left key, and I'm going to fit it into the box there. I'm going to go over to the left and choose text. Okay, that's quite a nice one. I'm coming back over and I'm just sort of hovering over this, and I'm going to bring it up here, and I am going to change the text. Cycling up to the top one. I'm just trying to get this one. I'm clicking. Okay, I'm just holding it down to center it. Okay. For some reason, where's it gone? Sorry about that, I've missed that. So I'm going back. Let's go cycling. I'm going to get rid of, I'm just clicking inside that. Backspacing. Drag this in a bit. Let's go cycling. And I'm going to leave that there. Okay, let's look at the full page. It's just down here on the right, present full screen. Okay, that's fine. And then I'm going to go and have a look at the other poster ideas. This one, to turn that round, all I did was use these handles here to turn it. Okay, so let's go on to my next poster. This was just a couple of photos of a lady. So let's do add a page. If you do that, you will duplicate the page. If you do that, you will just add a page. So let's add a page, and I'm going over to elements again, and I'm going to write in Art Deco Model. Okay, I've still got the free filter clicked. Let's have a look, see if there's one. I prefer not to use people because I'm not sure if you need a model release form. So let's have a look at this one and see. I'm clicking on the three dots. From Artsy B from Pixabay. Let's look on the information. Use this media safely for a range of personal and commercial uses. Don't resell or take credit for the original. Okay, so I'm going to come down, make it a bit smaller. I'm just holding down the left key. Now I'm going up to Art Deco Aesthetic, which should give us, actually that's quite nice, the feather. If I want to turn it, I'll show you how I do that. There we are. You see these handles here? To make it, I'm just holding down the left key. Okay, now if I want to copy the feather, I go inside, click right, copy, click right again, paste, and as you can see I have another feather. I'm going to turn it slightly. I'm going to see if there's anything else I can put on my Art Deco poster. It's quite a nice frame. Let's bring that down a bit. Actually, I'm going to backtrack, so I've just backspaced. It's a bit slow today, Canva. Let's see what else we can do. Dark aesthetic. Okay. I'm a bit stuck with the colours on this. As you can see, we've got that green. So I'm going to go up here and write in green, light green background. And see if there is something that might suit this one. Okay, I might use that, and I'm going to enlarge it. I'm just holding down the left key and pulling it down. Okay, we've lost the pictures now, so I'm going up to position, and as you can see on the left here, to the back. Okay, and I'm going over to text, and I want an Art Deco Style font. Okay, these are the ones that have come up. That's quite decorative. Okay, these arrows here, I can move it around wherever I like. So let's click inside the box, and I'm going to write Art Deco. Okay, it's a little bit small, so I'm coming up here to the font size. I'm going to click on there. At the moment it's 77.6, but we need it a lot larger. 104, 144. Okay, I'm going on to these arrows. As I'm moving it around, I'm holding down the left key. Can you see that red line that's appeared going through vertically? That means that I am in the center of the page. Okay, so I quite like that. If you want to change the color, just hover over, go up here to text color, and maybe we could make it a dark green. It gives you the photo colors, which is really handy. Let's have a look. Doesn't look that green to me. That's better. Effects. We could give it a shadow. All I did, I went up to effects here. Shadow. That makes it a bit confusing. Lift. That's a bit better. And there we have it. We have a rather nice Art Deco poster. You can see it better at full size. Okay. I'm just looking at these feathers. Can you see here? They're not really lined up. So I'm going to come back, and I'm going to left click on the feather, position backward, and that should take it behind the picture. Let me do that again. backward. Okay, there you go. Did you see that? Just here, I'll do it, I'll put forward. Okay, so the feather's coming over the picture. If I do backward, that's much better. And I'm going live here, up to position, backward. Did you see that? Just here, look there, forward, backward. Okay, and we'll have a look again. That's much better. Okay, so we've made a couple of posters here. We've made one Let's Go Cycling with this wooden background, wood effect background. Let's Go Cycling, and an Art Deco background. Okay, so if you want to, you can actually print these with Canva. If you come up here, can you see print with Canva? Okay, Canva's being a bit slow today. Okay, so anyway, you can print with Canva. Or, okay, it seems to have, okay, that's working. All right, if you want to print it with Canva, you can, and you can do it directly from your computer here. If you want to share it, you could go here. And as you can see, collaboration link, only you can access. And here we have print with Canva, a public view link, so if you want to show your friends online, or you can just download it here. I'll click on that. You can click on a PNG if you are sharing, JPG. Obviously you don't really want a PDF of a poster, and you can do various things there. Okay, so that's all I have for you today, everybody. I hope you have a nice weekend. It's Friday here in Italy. It's quite sunny at the moment, and I'm just going to go and sort out my room. I'm doing a bit of decluttering in my craft room, so that'll be fun. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'd love to hear from you. As you know, you can call me at, let's make it a bit bigger. You can write to me at Vivian at vivianscreativitylab.com. Okay, there we are. Vivian at vivianscreativitylab.com. Okay, bye bye for now.